Hello everyone, in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can edit the photos on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, open the gallery, the Photos app, then open the image that you would like to edit. And at the top right corner you'll have the edit option itself, which you want to tap on. And in here you have quite the configurations to work around. So in here you can change some parameters of the image, so exposure, brilliance, highlights, shadows, contrasts, and many more, as you can see right here. This this section will allow you to apply some the preset effects, and this section will allow you to crop your image or rotate it however you like, as well as change its orientation sideways. Alrighty, you can also on the edit page you can also draw on the picture or leave some markups. So choose the width, the thickness of the marker, and then draw. As you can see, the different markers apply at different lines due to their different form. So choose which one responds to your needs the best. As you can see, you can change the thickness for each marker pretty much. You can also change the color over here by tapping on this little circle. So let's say I'll set it to be green. You can also change the opacity, as well as use the eraser tool, which you can change the object of, as well as use the size of, as well as use it as the object eraser. Then this little transparency tool, as well as the ruler. And that would be pretty much it. Oh, okay, not yet. So add some description to the image. Leave some, signature. And place it somewhere if you need to, as well as type in the custom text. Let me show how you can do that. Here you can change the font of the text as well as its size, the alignment of it. Double tap on the text field in order to be able to type in something custom. And you can also magnify some parts of the image, of the picture, of the photo, whatever that is you're working on. I'll leave the magnifier right here, let's say. And that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.